Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Amana Capital. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Amana Capital is a beginner-friendly Forex and CFD broker that offers competitive trading conditions and flexible accounts for professionals, active traders, and retail traders. No minimum deposit is required to open an account with this broker, and typical spreads start from as low as 0.4 pips on a wide range of instruments. By joining Amana Capital, you can use the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms on all your devices. And if you are new to trading, guides are provided to help you learn the basics. As a client, you will have access to trading signals, in-depth market analytics, an economic calendar, live charts, and 24-hour customer support. Amana Capital is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, the Financial Services Authority, the Financial Services Commission, and the Capital Markets Authority. This broker offers a wide range of Forex pairs, metals, energies, indices, share CFDs, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. There are more than 50 tradable currency pairs. Popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, and dozens of other instruments that you can add to your portfolio. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 100 when trading with Amana Capital. However, if you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you will be exposing yourself to far greater financial risks, and to do so with caution. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the products you can trade with Amana Capital, hover your cursor over the Products tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu. If you require any assistance, you can reach the Amana Capital customer support team via live chat, email, or telephonically. You can also submit a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket from the website. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. Amana Capital does not offer any trading bonuses at the time of making this video. However, this broker is an excellent choice for introducing brokers, asset managers, and professionals seeking white label solutions. If you are working at a brokerage firm, or if you are a professional money manager or financial analyst, then joining the Introducing Broker program might be something to consider. This program is also designed for financial education providers, online marketers, and online community forums. Becoming a partner could give you the alternative source of income that you've been looking for, and it's easy to join. Amana Capital provides a sophisticated, user-friendly website with a simplistic design that makes it easy to navigate. You will find all the information you need by using the menu bar or the menus at the bottom of the page. The homepage highlights some of the key features of the trading conditions this broker offers, such as the number of instruments you can trade and the average spreads and payment methods supported. Further down the page, you can view live spreads and subscribe to the newsletter by entering your email and clicking on the subscribe button at the bottom of the homepage. If you are looking for trading insights, trading signals, helpful tips, or any other resources, you can choose an option from the Education tab or the Tools tab. At the bottom of the homepage, you will find direct links to legal documentation, policies, as well as terms and conditions. We recommend always reading the terms and conditions before you make your first official deposit if you decide to join any broker. Amana Capital offers competitive conditions for trading CFDs. This broker's accounts are suitable for all styles of trading, including active traders and beginners. As a client, you can trade on either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, and there are multiple accounts to choose from. This broker provides 24-hour customer support, premium educational content, and plenty of resources for analysis and research. Amana Capital is also an excellent choice if you are an asset manager, interested in joining the Introducing Broker program, or using this broker's white label solutions. As an Amana Capital client, you can use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. This platform offers advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and easy-to-read interactive charts that you can monitor and analyze the markets with in real time. You will have access to more than 30 technical indicators, and there are 9 different timeframes to choose from. MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010 and has many advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and much more. MetaTrader 4 and 5 share many similarities. However, MetaTrader 5 can be used to trade more instruments, and it offers a multi-threaded, multi-currency strategy tester. MetaTrader 5 also has more timeframes, more order types, and an economic calendar. If you are automating your trading strategies or trading with expert advisors, we would recommend using virtual private servers to continuously run your algorithms and expert advisors 24/7 from any browser. The benefit of trading on a virtual private server is that there is no server lag, and it runs much faster than an ordinary server, so you'll never have to worry about overloading servers or issues with backups. MetaTrader 4 and 5 can be downloaded for free from this broker's website, Google Play, or the official MetaTrader websites. You will be able to use these platforms on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. To learn more about the features of MetaTrader 4 and 5, click on the Platforms tab for a full list of features and direct download links. There are 4 types of accounts that you can open with Amana Capital, and this broker also offers swap-free accounts and demo accounts. The Amana Classic account supports both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and it can be used for trading commission-free Forex and a variety of CFDs. A deposit of at least $50 is recommended when using this account, and its spreads start from 1.4 pips on average at market execution. The Amana Active account is designed for high-volume traders, and at least $25,000 must be deposited to enjoy the full benefits this account offers. The trading costs on this account can be reduced by up to 60%. You will have access to a personal account manager, exclusive trading signals, and technical studies, as well as API trading functionality and dedicated virtual private servers. If you are interested in investing in stocks, you can open an Amana Shares account. There are more than 500 listed stocks, and this is a MetaTrader 5 account with instant execution. No minimum deposit is required to open a shares account, and this account has flexible leverage options. The Amana Elite is the VIP account for clients who intend on depositing $250,000 or more. This account offers competitive trading conditions to high net worth investors, and you will get access to a personal account manager, personal coaching, a customized trade desk, daily advanced technical studies, calendars, market news, market reports, exclusive analytics tools, and much more. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend practicing on a demo account until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners. This account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. The classic account can be used as a swap-free account, and no interest or rollover fees are charged or earned when using this type of account. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions Amana Capital offers, click on the Accounts tab. Creating an account with Amana Capital will only take a few minutes, and creating an account is free. You can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Amana Capital homepage, and then click on the Start Trading Now button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address. And then you can log in to the client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. However, after that is done, you will have access to all the account features. Once your account is set up and approved, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with MetaTrader 4. Download and install your preferred platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with Amana Capital. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading or are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and how to place your first trade. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. Amana Capital provides a great selection of basic and advanced video tutorials, ebooks, and in-depth trading guides to help you improve your skills. You will also find an economic calendar under the Tools menu, and it will give you fundamental insights into global employment data, retail markets, consumer price indexes, economic activities, GDP levels, changes in monetary policies, and updates on major events in over 70 central banks around the world. Amana Capital also provides trading signals, live charts, and real-time price movements, which is another great way to monitor the markets. So we recommend bookmarking these pages. You can also easily manage your trading activities and improve your performance by using Risk Pulse, which is a free smart risk analytics tool. This tool automatically tracks and analyzes your trading behavior to give you feedback on what needs to be improved on and what your strengths are. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies, and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice on your free demo account. So there's nothing to lose if you aren't using any real money. Overall, Amana Capital offers accounts for all types of traders and investors. This broker is beginner-friendly, but also provides a great selection of advanced trading tools and research material. By joining this broker, you'll benefit from tight spreads, low trading fees, and a variety of instruments. Amana Capital has been around for many years and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile, so be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of Amana Capital. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.